Okay, we mounted the GoPro Hero 6 on this Indian motorcycle fairly rigidly using double stick tape, some tape, and aluminum. It's mounted to the console on the gas tank. And there's plenty of vibration and plenty of movement with the bike, but this stabilization in the camera is actually quite remarkable. In this next scene, you'll notice tilting the bike sideways, the image is still kept level with the horizon. Okay, now I'm going to ride the bike, and you'll notice going over bumps and turning the wheel from side to side and leaning the motorcycle. It still gives a stable image, none of that jello effect. Sorry about the windshield glare. The audio was completely recorded with the internal mic on the GoPro Hero 6. Planning on getting an external mic and seeing how much improvement we get, but it's pretty remarkable. It gives a nice recording of the motorcycle sounds.